Hi, welcome back, my dear student. So we are about to take this project to the web. I want you to get really excited because this is going to be really fun. Now, before we go on, I want to say thank you for sticking with me all these lectures and for some of you in so many of my courses. But you know that I'm always trying to help my students in every way I can. I'm always trying to help you be better because I know by making you better, I'm making myself better in a way. I hope you understand that concept that I have. And that's the way I live life. I want to give you the best. And now, because I want to give you the best, I'm always recommending you to the best services out there. So if you have a crappy hosting service or a bad support hosting service or expensive hosting service, or you're not 100% happy with your hosting service, I want you to listen up. And if you have a hosting service, I want you to still listen up, and even if you're happy with it, because this information can actually help you. Now, I was recommending a lot of people to my favorite hosting provider for many years, GoDaddy.com. GoDaddy.com came to me and told me, listen, just because you are such a wonderful customer and we know that you're recommending a lot of people to us and you're being faithful, we are going to give you a special link for your student that are going to save your student a bunch of money, and we're going to give your student the best possible service for their money. And I said, yeah, so what is it? So they gave me this link. If you go to my website, edwindiaz.com, and you click on resources, it's going to take you here. And if you click on this link, I'll show you right now. This link is going to give you hosting services for $1 a month. And then they are going to give you a free domain as well. And this is only for my student. You are not going to find this anywhere, because even if you call customer service, they would say, I don't even know, we don't even know what you're talking about. Because even regular customer service don't know what is going on. Why? Because this is a special department from GoDaddy that will give me a link for my students only, for special people like you. $1 a month, free domain, free cPanel, which is usually charged, which is charged separate usually from hosting services, or they charge you more for it. All right. And then we are going to be selecting this first one here, economy, which is the $1 a month. So now it says only one website, right? But basically what they mean is it's only one domain. But inside that domain, you can create multiple folders and then put your applications inside those folders, like I do in most of my courses. And you're going to see that in most of my courses. So we can play around for a whole bunch of time with this super cheaply, very cheap. All right. And you're never going to fill this up. I mean, to fill this up, you would need to have thousands and thousands of, photos and videos. All right. When you select this, you'll choose your domain. All right. If it's available, and if it's not, you'll search again until you find one. You go all the way to proceed to checkout. You're gonna see they're gonna charge you $12 up front for the whole year. They're gonna give you a free domain. You can pay with PayPal. All right. And then when you finish, then it's going to log you into your GoDaddy account, and then it's gonna send you your credentials by email. All right. Once you log in, all you have to do is go to my account somewhere in GoDaddy, find the web hosting tab, click manage, and that's going to take you to your cPanel. It's going to be pretty fun there. On the next lecture, I will explain to you how it works once you are inside the cPanel. But I wanted to give you this tip here because this is going to save you a whole bunch of headache, by searching other hosting provider, or maybe you already have one that you don't like. All right. And it's going to save you headaches, money, and even nights of not sleeping well, like it happened to me many years ago. Anyway, I want to thank you again for being my student. All right. You are sticking with me in this course for a long time already, and some of you from many of other courses that I got. Again, if you need any help, I'm here for you to help you in any way I can. Remember that I got thousands of students and I'm only one person answering, because I could hire somebody to answer the messages for me, but I like to get personal with my students and help them out personally. See you in my next lectures, and I hope we are together for a long time. Take care.